I had to do a lesson with one of my students, Ken. And so a little bit later, you're going to see that. He wanted to do the song Misty. It's an old song, but it is very challenging. So I usually give my students an example if I know the song. It's been, I think it's been decades since I sang it, but I remembered everything. And the lessons that you're going to learn from it are, number one, how you make it your own. Even if it's, something that you're not sure of, you're going to work on it and make it sound really great. So when I'm singing it, it is my own style that I'm singing. Number two, we're looking for a key. So we're starting here and we're going to see, maybe we'll go up a little bit higher, but I did it in the key of G. Look at me. I'm as helpless as a kitten up a tree. And that's apropos because my kitty, where is it? There it is. My rescue kitty got me and it's really bad, okay? And I felt helpless as a kitten up a tree. What can I say? Okay, so now as I'm teaching Ken, I wanted to give him the example. And now, I've had a cold all week, flu symptoms. You can see the redness in my nose. Oh my gosh. Yes, I tell you, if I could sell mucus, I'd make $1 million. Ah, all right. Okay, we're going to learn, number one, you have to test the keys out. Yes, if it's a song, you're making it your own, like I said. And number three, in the middle, or around the middle or so, I glitch on a note, but I don't try to cover it up. I don't try and do anything. I just say I should have warmed up because I didn't know I was going to have to give him an example of this song. Sometimes you don't know you're going to have to sing. And, if it's just among friends, okay, but still you want to warm up. I wasn't expecting to do this, but he really needed it, so I did it. And you know what? I just laughed it off because we all have times when we glitch. When we're practicing, when we're rehearsing in the studio, it's not always going to sound good. But overall, my interpretation of the song was right on, okay? And it gives you some ideas. If you know the song, it's like, oh, that's not the regular melody, but that's an idea. You get ideas, okay? That's why I give my students, when I know the song, an example of it so they can think beyond just who recorded it or one recording they heard. And then number four, a tag at the end. You don't just end it and go da-da-da and end it. That's bland. You don't want to do the da-da-da. I did a tag. So you're going to hear that at the end. So overall, other than my little glitch and me being completely filled up in the nose and feeling terrible about my kitty, it's doing good, okay? All right. So here is the example of Misty, okay? All right. So my student, Ken, wave Ken, hello. Yes. Okay, wants me to sing, or rather, I want to sing it for him, okay? This song, Misty. And so we're trying to figure out a key, so we're going to test this key out. It's Misty, and we're doing it in G. So I'm going to sing it, and you're ready to record, Ken? Okay, here we go. Look at me. I'm as helpless as a kitten up a tree, and I feel like I'm clinging to a cloud. I can't understand. I get misty just holding your hand. Walk my way, and 1,000 violins begin to play. It may be the sound of your hello, the music I hear. I get misty the moment you're near. You could say that you're leading me on, but it's just what I want Don't you notice how hopelessly I'm lost? That's why I'm following you. I wish I had vocalized. On my own, should I wander through this wonderland alone, never knowing my right foot from my left, my hand from my glove. I'm too misty and too much, a tag coming, in love. I'm too misty and too much in love. Bye-bye. Okay, well, you heard the song. Ken listened to it, and he got ideas. He was having a hard time hitting the notes. And that's a fifth thing here, okay? A bonus idea here. When you're trying to learn a song and it's challenging, you don't avoid the notes. You find out what they are. You play them so you can match them. But what he was doing was hitting other notes that are a little bit higher. So remember, you want to make sure you don't ruin your tonal center and you get those notes. But what he was trying to do was singing it in E flat. It was too low. So now we got it in G. He's going to try other keys. He's going to get the right key for him. He has an example of me singing, and he has the example of some other people he's going to listen to, and then he's going to make it his own, okay? That's what I want for you. But he has also learned that you need to work your voice. You need to warm up your voice. You need to learn about phrasing. You need to learn about how to strengthen your muscles. You need to learn about how to perform. Look at the audience. Make that song really your own. You got a lot to learn. So if you'd like some lessons from me, because I know I can help you in every area of your singing journey, just contact me at marquitawaters.com. You know, you need private lessons? Come on down to me, okay? All right, and if you just want a group where you just want to do vocal exercises for us girls, go to marquitawaters.com and look up Singing for a Lifetime. I've mentioned it before, and it's just a fun group where we do exercises, different ones every week. So, other than that, you got to subscribe, ring the bell, but most of all, comment, leave a message so I know what's happening with you. Okay, love you so much. You have a great day because it's such a day, yeah. Such a marathon day. Yeah, yeah. Woo, I can't wait till this cold goes. Okay, bye-bye-bye.